Hello, I am Jay, the trainee chef you have been seeing on this channel. Today I am going to show you how to wash hands properly while working in the kitchen. While hand washing may appear basic and we all know how to do it, the recent COVID pandemic of 2020 has made me realize that I did not follow hand washing steps properly. What I learned over this period is that you need to wash hands with soap every 30 minutes while working in the kitchen. Or if I had finished a task and then was moving on to a new task. I always used to forget washing my hands, but now I have put an alarm in my watch. It rings every 30 minutes so that I can wash my hands. And so can you. It is that simple. So let me show you how to wash hands properly in this video to keep ourselves and our guests safe. So here I am at the wash basin. This wash basin has hot and cold running water. The first step is to adjust the water temperature to make it as hot as you can handle. Apply soap and vigorously scrub hands properly for 20 seconds. Take care to rub the back of the hand and your thumb as well. In case you forget how long to scrub your hand, sing a nursery rhyme. Something you remember from childhood. Most people say to sing the happy birthday song as well. Now rinse your hands under water to remove the soap. Dry your hand with a paper towel and that is it. That is all you need to do to maintain your hand hygiene. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We publish videos to help people in the hotel industry. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up as well. And do you see the food hygiene playlist on your screen? Click on it to learn all about food hygiene in the kitchen. See you in the next video.